Hey there, so today I'm going to be decorating this dresser right here. I'm going to be decorating it. Got some gorgeous knobs. Got some, I guess, rhinestone ribbon, some rhinestone stickers, and some handles for the bottom part, but I gotta wait for my husband to come home because these are going to require a drill, and I don't like using drills. So for this DIY project, I'm definitely gonna need some scissors, some E600 glue, and some hot glue. And hopefully we can make this boring dresser into something glamorous for when the baby's here. So now I'm going to be putting these drawer knobs. I got these from Amazon. Everything I got I will be listing down below. I mean, look at these. They're so pretty. And for a steal, I think I paid like $8, maybe $9. I'm not sure. Y'all can check it out. And since I have Amazon Prime, I got it here overnight shipping for free. Alright, let's figure out how to put this on the drawer. I mean, yeah. Okay. Alright, so I got that part open. Oh my gosh, I can't get it. They're stuck. Alright, so we're going to start off with the back piece, and we are going to just stick it in this hole. Okay, like so. And I guess try to like screw it through this. I don't know. What am I doing? Okay, it's going. Oh my gosh. Okay, almost there. Okay, cool. So now we're gonna take this piece, put it on, and just screw it on. Voila! We got one on out of 4. Yay! Maybe I can just leave it like that. Alright, so now I'm gonna put on the rest. I'll be right back. Ooh, look how cute! Definitely adding some sparkles. Definitely helps out. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. They're huge too. Look at that. Ooh, so cute. So cute. Now, I'm going to be decorating the outside of the mirror. Going to be taking these rhinestones, and I think I'm going to just hot glue them on, because E600 glue just seems a little bit drastic for something that doesn't even weigh anything. So, let's see how it looks. Okay, so these are already sticky, like super sticky. I put this one on and I can't get it off, so I guess I'll just be using the sticky part that came with it, because it's stuck. That's fine, right? So here we go. This is our work in progress right here. So we're just adding some little cute little rhinestone accents to the mirror. Don't mind my mess back there. I'm still working on stuff. I ended up adding some rhinestones to the outside layer. I'm gonna go find a really big, like, floral rhinestone to place right there. But right now, what I'm doing is I'm cutting one row off of this rhinestone ribbon to place on the edge of the dresser. Ooh, it's coming out so pretty. Just have to finish this side, and I went ahead and cut off another row to glue it on. Thank you, baby. Of course, I have to wait for my husband to come do it. But it looks so good.